Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something truly revolutionary that's reshaping our tech landscape, ChatGPT. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, imagine having a conversation with someone who can answer almost any question you throw at them, from explaining quantum physics to dishing out baking recipes. That's ChatGPT for you, a powerful AI developed by OpenAI that's capable of understanding and generating human-like text based on the input it receives. Now you might be wondering, how do I even use this? It's simple. You just type in your question or prompt on the platform where ChatGPT is integrated, like a chat application or a website, and voila! It responds in seconds, providing information, suggestions, or even casual chit-chat. But the real magic of ChatGPT isn't just in answering questions. This AI is a game changer for industries across the board. From education, where it can help students learn and provide personalized tutoring, to customer service, where it can manage thousands of inquiries simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The possibilities are just staggering. And here's the kicker: ChatGPT is always learning. The more we use it, the smarter it gets, adapting to new information and improving its responses. This means it's not just a tool for today, but a foundation for an AI-driven future. So, how is the world adapting to ChatGPT? Well, companies are integrating this AI to automate tasks, enhance customer interactions, and even create content. It's not just about efficiency, it's about creating new ways to connect and learn. In a nutshell, ChatGPT isn't just changing the game, it's redefining how we interact with technology on a daily basis. And for us tech enthusiasts, that's a world full of exciting possibilities just waiting to be explored. Stay tuned, keep experimenting, and let's embrace the future together. End of script.